Hello all you lovely people, I'm Avneet Kaur and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm hoping everyone is safe and in good health. You must be wondering why I look so excited and cheerful today, right? So here is the reason. I've recently discovered some amazing skincare products and that's my secret to having crystal clear skin. And yes, I am so excited and thrilled to share this information with you. Let's cut right to the chase. So you all are aware that I hit the limelight very early and there's been no turning back since. But the constant application of makeup and having lived in a city that is known for pollution has caused a lot of damage to my skin. Anyway, me being me, I'm always looking out for new options that work best for my skin and I finally found the perfect solution. Here is introducing the recent addition to my skincare regime. The L'Oreal Paris Crystal range. This is such a game changer, you guys. I've been using the Crystal Micro Essence and the Crystal Sheet Mask since last year. And now I've added the latest Crystal Micellar water and it has had lasting effects. My skin feels super fresh and I'm sure that you guys can see the glow that I've got. And this is such a lovely product and that's why I love L'Oreal Paris Crystal range so much. The L'Oreal Paris Crystal range typically includes the Revitalift Crystal Purifying Micellar Water, the Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence, the Revitalift Crystal Sheet Mask, which I use for 2 or 3 times a week. So I've totally loved using the Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence the past year. My skin looks and feels absolutely beautiful from the time I started using it. It totally works better than other moisturizers or serums. And this one's my most favorite because the results are just so satisfying. I used the Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence first and then added the Revitalift Crystal Sheet Mask to my regime. And wow, both these miraculous products have brought a radiant glow to my skin that looks absolutely beautiful and flawless right now. The presence of salicylic acid in the Crystal Micro Essence gives fascinating results. There is this active mild exfoliant in salicylic acid that exfoliates the skin and helps in brightening, refining of pores, and it even removes dead skin cells. Some features that make Micro Essence unique are its lightweight texture, which I personally have fallen in love with, and its quality of penetrating 10 layers beneath the skin. That's pretty insane, I think. Trust me, this one's my savior since it is so effective and is an absolute revolution. Not just this, it has even reduced the pigmentation caused due to acne and has only made my skin feeling radiant and exceptionally smooth. That glow you see there, it is a result of packed hydration and active ingredients penetrating deep into the skin in the form of salicylic acid. I've also noticed that it's also very easy to layer if you're someone who uses other skincare products and it just blends so well. This is one reason why I totally recommend the Micro Essence if you'd want a crystal clear skin like mine. So here is another phenomenal ingredient I add to get a healthy, hydrated and glowing skin. The L'Oreal Paris Crystal Purifying Micellar Water, which is the latest addition to the Crystal range. The Crystal Purifying Micellar Water's wow factor has deep pore cleansing powers against 5 impurities, which are pollution, makeup, dust, sebum and oil. Usually the most people mistake micellar water to be a makeup remover, when in reality, it's actually a cleanser. This cleaning magnet works excellently in removing even the smallest impurity. Here is how I generally go about using the Crystal range. With just 2 simple steps, I successfully achieve an ever-glowing look. My regime is to first cleanse with micellar water and then pamper and nourish my skin with the goodness of Micro Essence. As you can see, I have no makeup on my face. I first start off by using the Crystal Micellar Water. I take 3 to 4 drops on a cotton pad and press gently and apply it all over my face. The best part is that you don't need to rinse your face after. With its non-oily texture, it feels extremely light and is also very gentle on the skin. It is also dermatologically tested and it's even suited for all skin types, including sensitive skin. I witnessed visible results in just 8 days of using the magical micellar water by L'Oreal Paris. My skin now feels purer, fresher and healthier. Here is what I usually do. So after I thoroughly clean my face with the micellar water, I use the Crystal Micro Essence to provide my skin the nourishment it needs. I take about 3 to 4 drops on my palm and dab it directly on my face. After every application of the Micro Essence, my skin just glows and is clearer like a crystal. If you want to get the best results, I'd suggest you use it twice a day, since that is more effective. The salicylic acid present in the micro essence surely works wonders. A lot of you always ask me about what salicylic acid is. So it's basically an active that helps in exfoliating the skin and purifying the pores. Some of the other questions that I get are if it can help prevent acne. The answer to this is yes. Salicylic acid works extremely well on acne-prone skin and also prevents future breakouts. Apart from this, I also get asked what are the key benefits of using salicylic acid products. This helps in unclogging pores, removing dead skin cells, and it also reduces those stubborn blemishes and scars. The presence of salicylic acid in crystal micro essence gets absorbed 10 layers deep in the skin, which is truly amazing. And crystal micro essence is also super lightweight and easy to use. I make sure I use the crystal sheet mask at least 2 to 3 times a week to ensure that my skin gets the maximum benefit. L'Oreal Crystal Clear range has made my life stress-free by improving the look and the feel of my skin. I'd recommend all of you to use these products together if you want crystal clear, radiant and healthy looking skin. The Crystal Micro Essence is available in 3 sizes: 22 ml, 65 ml and 130 ml. The Crystal Sheet Mask is available for Rs 150 and the Micellar water is available in 2 sizes: 95 ml for $2.99 and 400 ml for $8.99. Check out the links for the products in the description box below. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be really happy to answer. Bye bye now. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.